We realized last year, Marie, that this is more glue. I'm going to give you a teaspoon to get it out now. So you roll little lines and then you stick it and everything sticks together nicer. And then you have your biscuits, sprinkles, and candy.
Hi. It sounds very long ago. I was not here. You were. You were with me. I built it. That's 3 years before. No, 5 years actually. I was in India last time. This is ganache. Yeah. It wasn't last year. Can we
Ja,
Nee, ons gaan deel.
ja,
See Akia? Say hello to auntie.
Say hello, Kairas.
Hello, who can dit? Who can dit? Did I say right?
Yes, you did.
Yes. Okay. Show me how you are doing. Do it.
My liefie, al daai koekies is
You can
joune.
start it. But you did well.
So this is my little Christmas tree.
That's cute.
Dis oude.
Just show me, Nikki. Good. So, where's my Christmas tree? Okay, it's here.
Slightly different. It differs from kids. Some kids sleep over. So Sophie started sleeping through from what? 14 months. No, I'm lying. When we stopped breastfeeding, 22 months. Is it the way I should put my tummy? Other way around? Yes. No. One more time. Yes. Okay. So I'm putting bricks on my house. Is it a snowman? Yes, that's a snowman. I'll see you how you're doing the snowman. I forgot. Oh, I love the bricks. It's like a Kinder Joy thing. So must have the whole thing I should do it, and then the jumping. You can choose. Remember, it's your snowman. Okay, so you can just color the edges, you can color it completely, you can open the point. Okay, let's see how I go. Because putting your hands on the cookie is actually a challenge.
Oh, Marie, that's beautiful.
Marriott, I like this, the balls, you know, it's like a ball, or balloon, sorry. It's a nice house.
So how are we going to...
Transport. And it will transport well home for your Christmas party. Cookies in.
I see that. It's a whole bunch. And they're beautiful. Back from Nikki's house, and she gifted this cute little cookies for Zoe, and she also gifted a beautiful gift for Zoe, and Zoe is gonna be so happy. She's getting all those Christmas gifts. Now I cannot wait to meet my baby. She's waiting for me. So a week before, we went to the Mr. Price in the design quarter, 4 ways, and we wanted to see what do they have in the store, something new. And look at these dogs, they are so cute, the decor items, and we wanted to buy something to decorate, some candles and something new this time. So we purchased what we wanted, we got the ornaments, we got the candles, and now it's time to decorate the Christmas tree.